and welcome to my first and last vlog here in Chiang Mai. I've been here now for almost a week. I traveled to Pai, like the following video you saw, the trip to Pai. I was never filming in Chiang Mai actually. This is the first day and last day. Tomorrow I leave Chiang Mai. I have my flight to Surat Thani, and at night I will reach Koh Phangan next to Koh Samui. So I haven't filming in Chiang Mai because I was just relaxing, strolling around town a bit. But now I show you my last day here in Chiang Mai. So let's gonna start with a good training. Let's hit the gym. I'm losing my mind all of the time. I hear that music is so loud, it's getting me high. I don't know why. It's getting me high. I don't know why. So I'm here now at the Hia Fresh Market, and yeah, I'm gonna try some food. I actually saw another YouTube video from this market, and the guy he tried a special sausage, so that's why I'm here. And yeah, I'm gonna check it out and try some local food. Thinking about you, can't feel love, but I feel that. Fresh orange juice. All of the time. This is now the place where they do the sausage, the famous one here from Chiang Mai. So you have to try it if you're here in this fresh market. You have to give it a try for sure. Try it now. Looks like that. What we have here, it's also a typical meal from Chiang Mai or from Thailand. So it's packed inside this bamboo leaf. Very special, very good. Losing control now. I'm losing my mind all of the time. Let's try these ones now. It's actually something with egg, so it's, I think, shaked egg or something. Very delicious. I'm here at my friend's house in Chiang Mai, and we're doing Thai barbecue tonight. So yeah, it's amazing how they prepare it. So I'm really already starving for the food. So the meal is ready. Look at this table. It's gonna be great, the meal tonight here outside the house. Enjoy the meal, guys.